How to repost on Instagram? It is the easiest way that a man can do. You just have to install an app that's name is Repost for Instagram, which I have downloaded here. You can download it from Play Store. I'll show you how. Open Play Store and search for Repost for Instagram. Here it is. Here go for Regram Post Repost for Instagram, this one. Here I have installed, so I will open it. Now you just have to go to the post that you want to repost. If I want to repost this image, then just tap on three dot and copy the link. Now when link is copied, go back and open the app Repost for Instagram. Here it will automatically show the repost item which you have copied. Just click on it and here it will show the Virat Kohli repost icon. You can select where we want to post it. If I want to send it to the right corner, then select tap here, or you can say upper corner or left upper corner, or you don't want it as your wish, but I want here, so I will select here. Then you can make it dark also. Select here or other color, but I will select dark one. So go back and select dark. Now you don't have to do anything, just click here to download or directly post to the Instagram. Just click here and allow, and you can copy the caption also, but I don't want to copy the caption, so select where you want to post this. So I want to post it on my feed, so select feed, select the app, and here you go, it is ready to be posted. Now select this next, and you know how to post it on Instagram. But be careful, if you repost anything on Instagram, then you must ask him or her that you are reposting, and you should take permission so that no copyright claim should be